have flour, cornstarch, sugar, eggs, vanilla, salt, and butter.
Oh, so wala na. What are you going to make? Butter?
Butter cookies!
Yay! Let's start. We cut the butter into smaller pieces. Ooh.
This is all of them.
Ah, yes.
Good, 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 good. Yeah. Puna. Oh.
We cut it into smaller pa.
There we go.
Okay. We're going to beat using the mixer. What's that? What's that? You will put the
Sugar.
all of it. Ayan. Ito. Oh, ganun.
It's brown.
Okay, put it there. Oh. Good job. Wala lang.
Well, the next we're done.
Ayun. Ayun.
Next set. Alright.
You put the flour. Really and careful. Ano yung cornstarch? Mix well na lang natin. Mix well. Ganun yung muna, oh. Para hindi siya malalagas.
And with this.
Yan, good job. Ito.
No!
Dapat ganun kalaki. Ang laki yan. Big yan.
This with four sides. With this. You want this?
Circle.
And this. I gotta put it here.
Sige, let's go.
I'm gonna try by my
Ikaw na.
own.
Ikaw. Don't press too much. Okay.
Wow!
Masyado yun. Huwag masyado ganyan lang, oh.
Okay.
Huwag masyado maliin. Ano naman yun? Masyado naman yung soft. Ganyan, oh.
Yeah.